this lovely baked beans sauce today. If you try this, trust me, you'll never eat baked beans the same way again. Don't take it the plain way, just like uplift your baked beans with this nice sauce and you will love it. I assure you. So I started with my butter. I'm using butter because it has a very rich taste. Instead of like just using like vegetable or ordinary cooking oil, the butter will definitely uplift it with more taste and more flavor. And I used some onions and some garlic, ginger flavor as well to balance it all up. At the end of the day, you won't feel the big beans taste with everything you're going to be using. So for me, I like to use butter, a lot of onions like you've seen me do, and my garlic, ginger, spice, or let me just say my chopped garlic ginger. This would like help to like remove all the taste of that big beans. You won't feel it at all. So I did like 2 minutes on the stove with my onions, just like make it a little bit translucent. I don't like to like take my onions too far so that I can still feel the taste of the onions. So next I'm adding some chopped tomatoes with some chopped peppers. I don't like a lot of heat, so feel free to increase your pepper if you like, depending on how you like your pepper. Anyone you prefer, pepper, tomatoes, just feel free to like use any ratio you prefer. So just like I did my onions, because I know that I'm going to be stir frying a lot, that is why I didn't take my onions too far in the first place, because I have to stir fry these tomatoes in order to like dehydrate the water. And next I'm adding some spinach to it for more balance and more taste. I added some curry, thyme, and some seasoning. Please, if you have fresh thyme, feel free to add fresh herbs if you have. I didn't have any fresh herbs like that, like thyme, but my spinach was good enough, and so it balanced everything all out. Feel free to add any herbs of your choice, any spice of your choice, any seasoning of your choice, but be careful. You know the baked beans already has a little bit of salt, so just go easy with the seasoning. And next I added some smoked mackerel which I had cleaned and washed. Please feel free to also add any protein of your choice. You can add beef, you can add chicken, you can add turkey. I just wanted fish. I like fish a lot, so I just used fish. You can even add more. You can combine with fish or any other thing you desire. It's all up to you. And it was time for me to add my baked beans. I tried to like sieve out some of the baked beans like liquid if you notice, but of course to still have some. So at the end of the day, the only thing I was waiting for was just to dehydrate the baked beans. I didn't want the like baked beans. You know, of course, when you open a baked beans can, it will have a lot of liquid. I drained everything out, almost everything, and the leftover that was there, I was just like stir frying it back and forth in order to like dehydrate it. And after taking it for some time on the stove for about 2 minutes thereabouts, it was getting thick, and I added some of my spring onions. Like, guys, this was as balanced as it could be. I trust you. If you do your baked beans this way, you will love it. I'm not so much of a lover of baked beans, but when I do my baked beans this way, it takes it from like 0 to 1000 immediately. Like I said, feel free to add any protein of your choice. You can combine it with anything and everything. It's all up to you. I paired this sauce with some sweet potatoes and with some plantain, some fried plantain, and oh my goodness, guys, my family members enjoyed it. Like, they enjoyed it. Nobody could believe it was still the same baked beans. So your normal baked beans taken from 0 to 100. It was so flavorful without adding too much and all that, and it was really really good. You can even serve it to visitors and they will tell you that you served them a great dish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly share, kindly subscribe. Bye.